difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I believe 2020 is a year where natural hairstyles will come into play. I don't know, it may come into play and you better be ready for it. So, this natural hairstyle which I'm going to show you is a hairstyle, it's a natural everyday hairstyle. You can wear it for work, if you're going to play football, if you're going to the gym, anyway, a formal function, you can wear this hairstyle. So, let's get right into the tutorial and I'm sure you love it. First off, you have to condition your hair. Oh, if it's your shampoo day, then you can shampoo too. So condition your hair, leave the conditioner for 10 minutes, wash it off. After washing it off, oil your hair. Remember, this is the most important part. Oil your hair, comb it backwards and just let it stay. Do not air dry. Do not blow dry. Do not do anything. Air drying is the most important process, so air dry. Keep it for air drying, let it dry naturally, and then, as you can see the results, I got this result after like 25 minutes. So if you're going for a party, just like, I believe all of you may be having a shower 1 hour before the party. So yeah, have a shower 1 hour before the party, do your hair, and your hair will be ready 45 minutes before the party. To be exact, 30 minutes before the party, so that's amazing. And you'll have a good looking hairstyle, which is natural, flowy, straight, and will look wonderful. So as you can see, the hairstyle which I'm wearing now, there is no product, no nothing, and just hair oil, and it looks amazing. So I've really stopped blow drying and even using clays and anything, just hair oil, and my hair feels super soft, healthy, and yeah, it looks beautiful. So if you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial, I know it was short, but there's nothing much to explain in it. No blow drying process, no clay. When you're conditioning, hair oil, and if it's shampoo day, shampoo. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to see more videos like this. Follow me on Instagram, which is @Maximus_Arana. You love my Instagram feed, I assure you that. I'll see you in the next video. Keep smiling. Peace.